Are you ready?
Spoon, spoon.
She stirred her coffee with a spoon.
Fork, fork.
He used a fork to eat his salad.
Knife, knife.
Be careful with the knife when chopping vegetables.
Plate, plate.
She placed the cookies on a plate.
Bowl, bowl.
He poured cereal into the bowl.
Cup, cup.
She drank a cup of tea in the morning.
Pan, pan.
Heat the oil in a pan before adding the vegetables.
Pot, pot.
She cooked the soup in a large pot.
Blender, blender.
Use the blender to make a smoothie.
Toaster, toaster.
He made toast using the toaster.
Spoon, fork, knife, plate, bowl, cup, pan, pot, blender, toaster. Congratulations! See you later.